All right. Dunning, start the machine.
I'm Brian Dunning from Skeptoid.com, and this is microwave plasma. Whoa!
It is kind of ridiculous.
I have no idea how long you can let that go for.
How much is left?
Until it burns a whole
Oh yeah, some of the stuff's gone, but
Is the glass hot?
glass is not hot. Let's see what it did. It made it thin. Yeah, it just kind of burned it away. Let's try some more.
Did it do anything to the top of the vase? Or the vase?
No? Looks okay. I think we're good here. God, it smells like gunpowder. Here we go. You see the big plasma at the top? Oh, it's like dead. We need a new piece. That's
Interesting.
pretty cool.